Hello, today's video is based on Control of Environmental Degradation. It is the final topic of the lesson, Manufacturing Industry. The previous video was based on Industrial Pollution and Environmental Degradation. Hope you have liked, shared and subscribed. If not, do like, share and subscribe Tejus Education. Welcome to Tejus Education. In this video, we will be learning how to control environmental degradation. How to control environmental degradation? It's an important question in exam point of view. 3 marks question. Minimizing use of water for processing by reusing and recycling it in 2 or more successive stages. Harvesting of rainwater. This is quite common in India now. Rainwater is collected and it is used for various other purposes. Treating hot water and effluents before releasing them into river and pond. It has to be done. Hot water has to cool down and the chemical has to be removed. Then only it should be vented out to the water bodies. Otherwise the marine life will not exist. They will all die. How to treat industrial effluent? There are 3 ways. Primary treatment by mechanical means. This involves screening, grinding, flocculation. The particulates are all collected inside a flock, a cylindrical shaped apparatus. Then that can be removed. And sedimentation. These particulates are allowed to settle down. The gravity pulls them down and we can remove it. Secondary treatment by biological process. Anaerobic and aerobic bacteria act on them. Tertiary treatment by biological, chemical and physical process. Chemical, we can add chemicals to kill these dead or deadly bacteria, and physically we can remove them. So these are the 3 ways treatment of industrial effluents. Please learn nicely. How to control water pollution and how to control air pollution. Overdrawing of groundwater reserves by industry where there is the threat to groundwater resource needs to be regulated legally. Punjab, Haryana, we see there is groundwater shortage because they're using high voltage pumps to draw groundwater. Control of air pollution, obviously we have to control the release of smoke. Particulate matter in the air can be reduced by fitting smokestacks to factories with electrostatic precipitators. There's all various type of filter devices so that they will not allow these particulates to go into the atmosphere. Electrostatic charge will help this dust particle from going outside. Fabric filters means cloth. Fabric filters are attached. They will catch hold of these dust particles. Scrubbers is again another filter device. Inertial separators. These are the various filter devices which prevent particulate matter from escaping into the air. Now, how to control smoke and pollution by machinery and noise pollution. Smoke can be reduced by using oil or gas instead of coal in factories. Fossil fuels can be avoided. Control of pollution with machinery. Machinery and equipment can be used and generators should be fitted with silencers. Too much noise adds to stress. Almost all machinery can be redesigned to increase energy efficiency and reduce noise. Control of noise pollution. Noise absorbing material may be used apart from personal use of earplug and earphone. So usually people working in such ambience, they will protect their ears, and also we can use noise absorbing material to help them further. Now we are going to learn about Ntpc, National Thermal Power Corporation Limited. It is a major power providing corporation in India. It has ISO certification for EMS, Environmental Management System. So what is this? It is an international standard that specifies requirement for an effective environmental management system. It provides a framework that an organization can follow so that the organization can help in reducing pollution. NTPC has proactive approach to preserve natural environment and resources like water, oil, gas and fuels in places where it is setting up power plants. So what are they doing? To preserve natural environment and resources like water, oil, gas and fuel in places where they are going to set up their power plants. How NTPC could control pollution? This has been possible through 5 points. 5 marks question, very important board exam point of view. First point, optimum utilization of equipment, adopting latest techniques and upgrading existing equipment, minimizing waste generation by maximizing ash utilization. So what are the ash produced during various product formation? It has to be taken good care so that it doesn't leak. Minimizing waste generation. So minimizing the generation of ash and maximizing its use. Providing green belts for nurturing ecological balance and addressing the question of special purpose vehicle for afforestation. Special purpose vehicles which release very less carbon dioxide. Carbon print is less. Reducing environmental pollution through ash pond management, ash water recycling system and liquid waste management. So what is an ash pond? It is an engineered structure for disposal of bottom ash and fly ash. The wet disposal of ash into ash pond is the most common method of ash disposal. So these are the various methods to dispose ash. So reducing environmental pollution through ash pond management, ash water recycling system and liquid waste management. Ecological monitoring, reviews and online database management for all its power stations. So they have done a lot towards protecting Earth from pollution. We have completed manufacturing industry lesson. All the best. Do ask any doubt related to this lesson in the comment section. Wish you all the best. We have to work hard to achieve success. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe Tejus Education. Don't forget to watch the recommended videos at the end of this video from Tejus Education. Thanks again. All the best for your upcoming board exam.